Small film before, I showed how to make this program on the website. Now I'm going to show how to get this code into a real microbit, because it's the actual small processor like this. You can the buttons A and B that I showed before, you can see here. And this is the light emitting diodes, LED diodes. Now I'm going to show you how to get the file, the program file from my computer into the microbit. And to do that, I need some small things here. I'm going to put in this cable to the microbit a short while. Okay, now I've connected my microbit to my computer by a small USB port, and I have downloaded my file here. I'm not sure if that's sharp enough there. Okay, so now I need to get this file from the computer to the microbit, and hopefully the computer will find the microbit. I think I go to the Explorer and watch here. Oh, sorry. Here we go. No, it's not. It's not detected yet. Maybe it takes a while. I try to refresh. Now it's working. Okay, so microbit bits. Here I open this one, and I have a small window where I can take this file. So I grab it, I click, and hopefully I can drag it to this, like this. Okay, so now it's done. Now I have my program. Here we can see microbit. I do. Well, it's microbit HTML. I think it's that one. So now it's transformed to my microbits, and then I can unplug it. Okay, like this. Now it's a small problem. I have no power for this one, so I need a small battery pack as well. I plug that one in. It's easily plugged in like this. Okay, so now we'll see. Now I have power to my game, and I can start as player 1, and I press once, and we can see the sum 1. I press 2 times, and the sum 2. So I'm not allowed to press more than 1 or twice, and that's the other player, player B, can press once or twice. Player A again, and so on. and the player that gets to 21 wins. And well, that's how it works. And when this microbit gets up to 21, it displays which player that gets 21. So if it's player A, it's the letter A is presented here. Okay, thank you for watching this. Bye.